What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikopi Entertainment. So many people on social media are calling for Advocate Baloyi to step down and be removed from the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Advocate Baloyi is representing the state in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. If you look at the trial itself, Advocate Baloyi is he is saying actually that they are not going to call Kelly Khumalo or Longwe Twala to come to the court and testify. And also another thing is that Advocate Baloyi and Tefo, their own clashes, and so many people are not happy with that. They want Advocate Baloyi to be removed and to be replaced by somebody else. So looking at it, can Advocate Baloyi truly be removed and be replaced by somebody else? Yeah, it's quite tricky, but the odds are favoring that Advocate Baloyi is going to remain representing the state in this case. So tell me what you think about Advocate Baloyi being removed. I'll catch you guys on the next one.